Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the 31st of July and I'm creating our normal plan with me, and you guys know how we do it. Every month we go through what we planned the previous month, although this is my previous month, we're still in July, and then going through it we see what we can move to the new month if we're unable to complete what we are supposed to do, and then we plan for the new month. So tomorrow is going to be 1st August, which is probably the day you'll be watching this video. So happy new month to you, and I pray that this month brings you nothing but peace, joy, love, prosperity, and may all your hard work not be in vain. So we're going to plan for the month of August, but then I'm going to run you quickly through what we plan to achieve for the month of July, and then hopefully see how we did this month. Remember, the month of June was the lazy month, so I decided to up the game a little bit for myself by not being way too lazy. But then I'm going to take you right into the spreadsheet to see what we're able to achieve, and then plan going forward. So if you plan with me, it's time to bring out your own sheets and see if you were able to tick off most of your goals. And remember guys, no pressure. Like I always say, the main goal is to always keep progressing instead of just being stagnant. So we are still a work in progress. So good news, I was able to write out the pattern and chapters for my course. Yay! Like I told you guys earlier this month when I did plan with me for July that I want to create a course. So a friend of mine reached out to me. He has like an educational platform where he wants where a lot of people buy his courses and all of that. So he wanted me to create a course and sell it on the platform, and it felt like a really good idea. And what he wants me, the course he wants me to take, I have a lot of knowledge in that particular area, so I like, why not? So, and the thing about me is what growth. I feel like if I'm able to create this course, it's going to give me like a serious boost, not just confidence wise but on knowledge wise as well. Creating content and even working on your normal day job, you're filled with a lot of, let me not generalize it, I have a lot of insecurity, I have a lot of imposter syndrome and all of that. So even when he told me about this course, I'm like, are you sure I'm the right person and all of that? But the thing is, yes, the imposter syndrome will be there. I don't think it's going anywhere. Even the insecurities will be there. The you feeling like you're not enough is still going to be there. But what I always tell myself is to keep moving no matter what, no matter how difficult it is, no matter how I feel like I'm not worthy or I'm not good enough, I still have to make that move. And the thing is, along the way I end up learning a lot of lessons. So I was able to write out the chapter and the pattern for the course and all of that, and when I sent it to him, he was okay with the chapter and everything. So now all I have to do is start planning to start creating the course. Guys, it's going to take a very long time, and it's not something I intend to rush, because a lot of people are going to be paying for these courses, and I would want to give them quality. I would want them to not just get the value of their money, but be proud and glad that they were able to purchase this course. So I've written that I was able to do that. And then another thing I did was to register for Chidinma class with my friends. It's not just all about coding and maybe creating content. We also want to meet people. We want to just do a lot of things. So dancing, I've always wanted to know how to dance, even though like Chidinma is not the original one I want to learn. I really want to learn the Nigerian dance, like all these popular leg walk and all of that. But Chidinma is also a great one. So yeah, we registered for the class. Then the next one is I was able to grow the vlog channel to 50 subscribers. I think I published 3 videos for that channel this month, which I'm supposed to do better. But yeah, and then the main channel, we have over like 60 new people that joined us the whole of this month of July. And I'm really, the month of July, because by the time you're watching this it's already August, the month of July. And I want to say a very big welcome to you. If you're new to this channel, a very big welcome to you. Please feel welcome. Look around for videos you might find interested in and watch them. I assure you, you're going to get a lot of value from it. And whatever video you want to see on this channel, do make sure to leave it in the comment section, as I'll be reading them as well. And then the next one is to send monthly newsletter. Guys, I did it. We moved this thing from May to June and then to July. Guys, let me give you people a backstory. One of us here, one of our subscribers, one of us, like, he reached out to me on a Saturday morning. he was like, oh hey, what's up, how about the monthly newsletter you said you were going to send? Guys, I felt so ashamed. I'm like, oh my god, someone noticed this. Like, it was one of the things that actually propelled me to send out the first monthly newsletter. But after sending out the first, guys, I promised myself, and I'm promising you guys, that I'm going to do better. I'm going to, take out time to actually look for contents for you guys, to be able to, give you value of maybe the 5 minutes or the 3 minutes read of the monthly newsletter you're going to be getting. If you haven't, subscribed to the monthly newsletter, the link is in the description. Do make sure to check it out. And then I was able to do my skipping challenge. Yes, guys, I was able to do my skipping challenge, yeah. So, but what happened was I took my first COVID vaccine this month. So when I took the vaccine, they told me to not work out for a week. So what I did was, the days that I couldn't skip, I cycled or, did some lazy workout in the house. But most of the month of July, I was able to skip almost every day. So yeah, I did it. I did it, Joe. So the next one in progress, we have create minimum of 12 contents. I wasn't able to create 12 contents, guys. Like, I really wasn't, but I was able to push out 8 videos. 5 for the main channel, which is this one we are watching, and then 3 for the vlog channel. And I told myself that I'm going to do better because, like, I have like a full-time job and it's not really easy combining these two. But what I told myself was, if I'm able to, wake up early, because guys, these days I've been really lazy. I sleep around 1 a.m. I wake up around 9 a.m. But if I'm able to wake up earlier, I should be able to script. So if I'm able to script like 3 to 4 contents within the week, I should be able to batch shoot within the during the weekend and then edit and upload for you guys. So I'll try to do better the month of August. And then the course that I wanted to take, I started taking them. I'll give you guys the full details later when everything works out fine. And then take my first German class. In my first 2 classes, don't expect me to know how to speak German all of a sudden, but it's better than just still, being in the to-do column. We moved it because, yeah, I wasn't able to take the first 5, but I was able to take at least 2, which I think is progress. And then what we didn't do was sponsored videos. I didn't get any sponsored videos this month. Hopefully, we are still keeping our hopes up. One day maybe someone will see me and would want to collaborate with me and sponsor my video. So, but now moving to the month of August, what are we planning to achieve for the month of August? The Kizumba class I paid for, I hope and I'm promising myself that I'm able to attend them. We are supposed to go every Tuesday, is once a week, and then send out your monthly newsletter, and then continue my German class. And then I also want to invest some money again, like in stocks and crypto, like we do every month. And then for the month of August, lifestyle wise, I want to lose 3 kg. I bought scale here. I can't currently tell you guys what I weigh. You might throw away your phones, but I'm almost like 2 bags of rice, guys. Yeah, but then I want to lose 3 kg and then create minimum of 12 content across the both channels for you guys, and then listen to podcasts. I feel like I have stopped listening to podcasts the way I used to, because like what podcast does for me is the fact that it keeps me positive most times, because a lot of challenges, a lot of things happen in the month of July that I really do not want to go into. But like most times listening to podcasts, helps me stay positive. And then I also want to meditate and journal weekly. Remember when we did the monthly challenge of journaling every day? I want to see if I can meditate and journal weekly this month, because the last one was really therapeutic for me. It really helped me, so that is why I want to do it again. And then create the first and second chapter of the course. I want to see if I can start this month to start creating the course so that I can finish it at least before the end of 2021. And then I want to continue taking that course, the Java course that I mentioned in the month of July. And then I think another thing I want to do, I really want to apologize to you guys for all the background noises. I'm going to try to get microphone. I live with people and I can't really, entirely tell them to stop moving around or stop talking. It will be unfair to them, you get. So I also try to time the shooting, but sometimes I can't really take control of that. So I want to apologize to you guys for any background noise or whatever noise that affected the last video that I uploaded. I'm really sorry about that. I think I need to add this get microphone. I promise you guys better quality going forward. Maybe not in the first 2-3 videos that would come, but I would try to keep, you know, upgrading and making the videos I release to you guys have more quality and more value. I'm really trying to improve, and I hope you guys don't give up on me yet. I see all your support. Thank you so much for watching. So if you're planning with me this month, the month of August, let's try to kick some ass. Let's try to do better, guys. I encourage you, if you're not motivated, I want to tell you that whatever you're going through is just for the moment. It's not a permanent something. You're going to get out of it. Let's, you know, keep doing our best, and I hope that all the hard work ends up paying one day. And I wish you all the best. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And I also hope that I'm able to push out a lot of content for you guys, crypto related. I see the market bouncing back and all of that. Crypto, I even want to go more into stocks this month, hopefully. And then other things, personal finance related, like, you know, how you can make money online, jobs you can get without having to, you know, have a degree and all of that, or even how you can relocate to Europe if you want to, and the cost of living in Berlin. All finance related video is going to be up. And yeah, thank you all guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.